Hi, welcome to Camera Collection, and today I'd like to show you my Rolleiflex. So the Rolleiflex is a twin lens camera, so TLR, and this one is one of my favorites because I grew really fond of the TLR, the Rolleiflex in particular, when I was in college at MCAD. They had one, and I was always checking it out and shooting a lot of my portfolio stuff at the time with the Rolleiflex. And so I got out of college. One day I was at the camera shop and I came across this one. I called up my sister, who was actually my roommate at the time, and I said, hey, can I borrow $500? And here it is. So what a great sister. So this particular one was a little bit different than the one I used in college. It didn't have a waist level finder, it had an eye level finder. So this was an extra accessory that you could buy, but I hadn't seen one like it at that time. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the waist level finder with it. Somebody had probably lost it along the way. I found that once I got progressive eyeglasses, I could no longer focus using a waist level finder. So looking down made my eyes look down into a different part of my eyeglasses, and that made it difficult to actually get accurate focus. So the eye level finder forces me to focus through the correct part of my eyeglasses. That's really great. Cool thing about a twin lens reflex camera is that you're seeing through one lens and photographing through another lens. So it doesn't have it has a really quiet shutter. It's very small and compact in nature. What I like about TLRs, and this one in particular, is the compact size. I can take this anywhere and it doesn't take up a lot of room. Yet at the same time, I'm not sacrificing quality. I get 120 6x6 format with a really great lens that I'm very happy about. This is the Zeiss 3.5 planar. So the built-in light meter actually works on this particular one, and I can get a reasonable light meter reading to guide me in my exposure. It makes for a great travel companion because I don't have to bring any extra light meters with, and I don't have to worry about batteries. It's all mechanical, analog. So I've had this Rolleiflex. It's one of the oldest cameras, it's the oldest medium format camera that I own. And as I said, it's one that I've had with me since I was finished up with college. Recently, within the last 5 years, I did send it in for service. The shutter on it was starting to act up, and it was repaired and is working great now. If you get a chance to pick up a TLR, I think you should do it. The Rolleiflex prices are definitely up there compared to some Yashicas and Minoltas and maybe even some of the Mamiya C330 cameras. Thanks for checking out my camera collection, and I'll see you again next time.